We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass on a Canon imageCLASS D-1550. So the first step is to open the top hatch and expose the glass. Next you'll need your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. And then you want to put the cleaner on the cloth directly, not on the glass. So go ahead and clean the top part. And you might see some whiteout or even pin marks on there. So if you do, go ahead and just do it again. If you're using the automatic feeder, which is going to be this part right here, then you're going to want to focus on this little strip of glass right here. But if you're using the flatbed, then I would focus more on the bigger piece of glass. If the defects persist, then I would definitely call a service company because it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.